This video is made with the sponsorship of Ecrotech New Zealand, one source for all your beekeeping requirements. Hi, Trev here from Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. Today I want to talk to you about the new Hive Doctor floor from Ecrotech. This one is aimed purely at the commercial, although some hobbyists may find it's more suitable for them as well. So some of the features of the floor, and we'll start from the bottom and work upwards. We've got a strengthened corner pads so they won't sink into the ground the same, but these floors are made to screw onto pallets. We have position here for two trays that fit in. This is made mainly for the Australian market, in that they can put treatments in there for small hive beetle, and you can also do your monitoring through there as well. So what do we first notice? One is that this deck here, the ventilated part, is different from the old Hive Doctor, and this here has a 22% ventilation, and they're a lot stronger and not likely to flex like the old Hive Doctor ones did. We also have a little bit of venting just in the front floor, and we also have, this is just a cut down box, the 4 pegs here so the floor can sit on here just as they are. They're not designed to be moved backwards and forwards, and they come with this little opening that will fit in here like that, so you can close the hive right off for transport. So if you need to move the bees, that's it, the hive is now locked. Or you can change it over and put it that way to have a reduced entrance. And when it's not being in use, it can sit there and doesn't interfere with the bees coming and going. Instead of the single opening that we had before, we now have a 3-disc opening. That clips into the floor like that also. And now you can have any combination to whatever you like, whatever suits you and your bees. You want to transport your bees, that's it, they're all closed off. You got a wasp attack, go around to there, and there is only about a 2 bee space through here. You might decide you want them all like that, or any combination, whatever. If I had a wasp problem, I would probably have them in that sort of similar position where only one door is open. Don't need to have this disc in. This is an optional extra, about $5 for one of those discs. But this one will come with the floor. The floor now is actually about 15 millimeters below the level that the old floors had, where they were flat. So now if you're using a oxalic vaporizer, you'll actually be able to fit that in here, and it will sit on an angle and won't burn the floor. So a nice little feature. About $18, depending on how many you're buying, about $18 to $20 each, plus GST, plus freight of course. They call this the smart floor. because this little feature in here, where it's recessed another 20 millimeters, there is in development people who are interested in monitoring the bees coming and going, checking for other things, and even pollen traps, and they're talking about putting those things in this opening. How that's going to work, don't know, but they're trying to future-proof this floor a little bit for that type of thing. So, whether it's that way or that way, over to you. But that's Ecrotech Hive Doctor Smart Floor. That's it from Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. We'll catch you around in the beehive.